What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find products to sell on Amazon and specifically Dogecoin. Now, it's not what you're thinking. I'm not showing you how to buy and sell Dogecoin on Amazon, but I'm going to show you how you can make money selling Dogecoin related products on Amazon. I'm going to show you how I found the products and how much money they are actually making on Amazon each month. But before we get into the video, if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below for a chance to win my Amazon FBA course or a $100 prize. I haven't picked a winner from last month, but I'm here to announce it. So here it is right here. I haven't done it while I'm filming this video, but this is the winner from last month. Go ahead and message me on Instagram or Facebook, or you could check my email down below in the description. All right, so for this video, I'm going to be using Helium 10 Blackbox. This is one of the tools that you could use to find products to sell on Amazon. If you've never heard of it, this is what it looks like. And if you need a discount code, I have one down below for 50% off for the first month. So all I did was I went right here, and usually in my other videos, I put a search volume of 10,000 or more. But if there's 5,000 monthly searches and low competition, you could still get pretty good sales on Amazon. So I typed in 5,000 for the search volume. Again, we're on the keywords tab. We are finding keywords that customers type in on Amazon to make sure that the product has demand. All right, so we have the 5,000 monthly search volume. And then right here, I also put lower revenue than I usually do, but this all depends on how much money you want to make on the product. So I put a lower revenue because it's much easier to find products that have a little lower revenue, lower competition, and good search volume. So even though it has a low revenue, it could still be a good product to sell on Amazon. So I put 3,000 right here. And then for the price range, I put $10 to $24. Most other videos out there say to put at least like 15 right here because of the Amazon FBA fee. But you can find products that cost under $1 to manufacture, which is what I found in this video. So I'm going to show you that product. And then right here, I did review count 100. Now that is very low reviews. It's pretty hard to find products, but since we have a lower search volume, hopefully we could find a good product based on lower reviews, lower revenue, and maybe it's a trending market that's still going up. It's a new market, so not many people are in the market yet. So this could still be a great opportunity to launch products with this type of information, this data. So that is all I put in Blackbox, and then I'm going to hit search right here. And if you've been looking for products to sell on Amazon, you already know this is the hardest part of the whole process. If you need a product validated, you find a product, you think it's good, and you want to sell it on Amazon, but you want to have someone check it, check out my product validation service down below. I spend a couple hours looking at the market, showing what I look for, and then it helps you decide if it is a good product to launch on Amazon. But I'm getting off track. I'm going to keep scrolling down here, and this is what caught my eye. I saw Dogecoin. If you don't know what Dogecoin is, it's a cryptocurrency, a meme currency that Elon Musk and a lot of famous people tweet about, and it makes the coin go up, even though it really has no value. It's just a meme coin. But I've been holding this thing since like 2017. So people are making money with this coin, and a lot of people are searching the internet for stuff related to Dogecoin. So that got my attention. Right here, you can see over 5,000 people are searching Dogecoin on Amazon. And then if we click this little blue arrow, it's going to show you the search history on that keyword. So you could see recently Dogecoin's been getting a lot of attention on the internet, on the news, and a lot of people have been coming on Amazon and just typing in Dogecoin to see what they could find. And I know what you're thinking, this is kind of a trending product because we don't know how popular Dogecoin will be in the future, but this could be a good opportunity for a quick buck if you want to cash in on the trend. All right, so I saw that big demand spike in April, and recently it's even had a lot more attention. So this spike will probably go higher than 5,000 monthly searches, but that is just one thing that I look at when I'm doing product research. Now, this person only has 24 reviews, 5,000 in revenue per month. So I'm going to click right here, view on Amazon, and we could see it's just a gold-plated coin, like a little memorabilia coin. And you can see there's not that much competition. They even have like this one with a frame around it. None of these have prime listings, so it must be a new product that people are launching on Amazon. I would have to make sure that it's not restricted on Amazon, but you can see this one is prime right here. And I know what you're thinking, it's a low price point, but we're going to see how much it costs to manufacture these. First, before I do that, they also have t-shirts right here. So anything Dogecoin related might sell well during the holidays or for a birthday present because everyone is talking about Dogecoin. All right, so I'm going to go right here and run Helium 10 X-ray. This is going to give us all the data on these sellers, how much they're making per month. So right here, you can see the average is around 3,000 per month. Their price point is 14. They have a high BSR, meaning there's not that many people searching for it, meaning there's not too much demand. So I usually like to see this number below 50,000. And the average reviews, you can see it's only 8, and that is very hard to find a product with low reviews because a lot of things are competitive. So we're going to come down here and see what people are making money on. The top seller right here, they're selling this little gold-plated Dogecoin, and they're selling it for $8.99. They're making $49,000 per month, and they only have 36 reviews. Also, this Dogecoin t-shirt is making over $5,000 a month with only 1 review. So there are a lot of new sellers coming in selling these Dogecoin like a 2-piece, but you might be able to come in here and create other cryptocurrency coins so people could collect them or give them to people as a joke. But you can see there's very low competition. So now that we see some people are making decent money with low reviews, like that one person doing $49,000 a month with 36 reviews, we are going to click find suppliers on Alibaba to see how much these products cost to manufacture. So I'm going to pull it up right here. So you could see some of these coins are very cheap, 55 cents for 1 Dogecoin, and then they're selling it for $8.99. And this is a very small, lightweight product, so you're not going to be paying high shipping fees, high storage fees, and you could actually make a pretty good profit if you're selling this at $8.99 because the cost to make the product is so low. And you can see there's even cheaper ones right here, 40 cents. And we can keep going, 35 cents. So these things are pretty cheap. It's just a gold-plated coin, so people could collect it and say, hey, I have a Dogecoin, and show them an actual coin. Okay, so we want to find the keywords that this seller is ranking for. We want to make sure that there's other keywords that we could target in our advertising campaigns and our listing so we can get more sales. So I'm going to click right here, and then you're going to see the little checkbox, and then right here where it says run keyword research, this is how we could run the keywords that this product is ranking for. So I'm going to hit this. It's also called Cerebro. It comes with Helium-10. That's why I like Helium-10. It has everything. And we are going to look at all the keywords that they are ranking for. So right here, you can see there's over 1,400 keywords for this product, this seller. So the main thing I like to do is come up here and type in organic rank 1 to 20. Now this is going to filter out all of the bad keywords that aren't related to the product. Sometimes it pulls up bad keywords that aren't even related to Dogecoin. So I type in 1 to 20 and then I do 1 for the keyword count. And then I'm going to hit apply, and it should bring this number down to 29. So that's a lot more manageable, and these are way better keywords that we could target. So right here you can see Dogecoin coin. That has over 16,000 monthly searches. Dogecoin alone, just 1 word, so we did that little filter right here, and luckily we did that because we found Dogecoin has over 78,000 monthly searches on Amazon. So I'm going to click this little arrow, and you can see recently it got a huge spike. Just like the other keyword that had Dogecoin, it was 2 words. This is 1 word, and it has a lot more people searching for it. So you can see that's why it's important to do these filters when you're finding the keywords to target, because now we can see there's a lot more demand by looking at Dogecoin coin, Dogecoin 1 word, and then Dogecoin 2 words. That's what pulled up in Helium-10 Blackbox. And then all these other things down here have good search volume, like, let's see, Doge by itself has over 16,000 monthly searches, and there are some other keywords down here, but I'm not going to keep going. But like I said, you could differentiate the product by using different crypto like Ethereum. People are searching Ethereum, it's not even spelled right, crypto coin, over 1,000 times on Amazon. So this is just an idea, and I kind of show you what I look for when I'm doing product research to make sure there's demand and how to filter certain things so you can get better results. Again, I'm using Helium-10 for all of my product and keyword research. Finding a product is the hardest thing, but hopefully this opened your eyes to other products that you could sell on Amazon. Again, there's a lot more you have to do, like find out if it's a restricted category, but I don't think it is, but I didn't do the research on that part. But that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need help with your own Amazon FBA business, check out all my links down below in the description. Join my free Amazon FBA community, and don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.